The boys at AGX over here built these crazy tips, right? So they'll expand like thrusters on a jet. Lambo, 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 Lambo.
Here we got Camilo, just being Camilo.
Completely new car. When these things first came out, they're like 500 grand. This is 175. At peak, it was like 320. So this right now goes for like around 310,000. This was going for like around 120. This one's around 300 grand.
Establishing. Blake, I'm establishing. Here's your establishing shot. Leaves in the wind. Leaves. Establishing. Establishing. Alright guys, we're over here in Los Angeles at AGX, which are our friends letting us use their shop. So, give you guys a little walkthrough about what AGX has outside. They have a 4GT, a Urus. This thing is sexy. The 4GT sick. We actually might have a 4GT we got to go do in Texas. So you might be wondering why is 1K in LA. Well, one of our friends wanted us to fly out to do his Urus, right? So we're doing downpipes and full exhaust on this beautiful Urus. RYFT products, obviously. I had them shipped directly here. So we have downpipes on the top and the full titanium bottom in the bottom. And I already started, obviously. I'm a little dirty. Hasn't been that long and we've already got almost the downpipes fully out. And the tune is riding. It's a gloss black with a matte PPF, some Boston wheels. And we'll keep updating everybody as we're going. I'll get some shots of inside the shop so you guys can see what they had going on here. It's a lot of Lambos, man. Lambo, 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 Lambo. Lambos, and two more on the other side, not to mention the ones that were just outside. All right, so we got the downpipes done. They're fully installed. We got to put the intake box and everything on top. Then we're gonna put the car in the alignment rack to do the titanium exhaust, the rest of it, because obviously downpipes are separate. I haven't unboxed it, but it's all sitting right here. Dude, guys, you gotta check out what the hell they're doing over here. So we got a wide body Aventador, right? But that's not the crazy part, which you would think is crazy. This is the crazy part. So, the boys at AGX over here built these crazy tips, right? Now, it took them about a month to figure it out. These tips aren't just what you see them there. They actually open up, so they'll expand like thrusters on a jet. And they're hand built, and they built everything here. So it took them a month from 7 days a week, Monday to Monday, 9 a.m. to 9, 10, 11, 12 at night, figuring this out to how to make it work. They're also building this crazy wing to change it up, because you'd think the wide body kit and the wrap alone is the crazy part, but it is not. This to me is ridiculous. What's up, old man?
You're treading on water. Not wearing socks is dangerous around here.
Not wearing socks?
Yeah.
I got socks on.
Those things wouldn't even go over my toes. I guess with your little stubby legs.
Have you seen the side of your legs?
I know, chicken legs.
Yeah. Why'd you put oversized tires on this little thing?
Oh, I wanted to put like
He rubs them off here so it looks like he gets over on it.
Yeah, did you grab a little file and just like...
Yeah, gotta come to Crest, bro.
No, yeah, it's tight.
It's tight.
There you go, there you go.
Yeah.
It's good.
Perfect.
Looks good.
Backwards.
It's underglow, bro. What are you talking about?
So we're in Miami right now. We got this Urus we're doing. Hey, what are you doing?
Figuring out a new tuning box.
What the hell?
Yeah, Urus, make it go ba 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 ba.
Yeah, so we're in Miami. We had a Urus customer, and we told them that we can knock out the downpipes and tune at their house. We've done enough of them that it doesn't take us that long to do. So Nicolas and I are gonna knock this out, and we'll see how long it really takes us, because we got here 3:20 roughly. Let's see how long it takes to get it done. All right, so it's About to be 4 o'clock. We showed you guys at 3:20 we started. The new downpipes are already in. So 40 minutes, start to finish, almost finished. I mean, downpipes are in, but the car's really hot. I burned myself. I mean, Nicolas, you know how hot this is.
It is hot. It's been 15 minutes since those are out, and it's boiling hot.
I had to grab a moving blanket, it gets so hot.
New downpipes in place. Bolts for the downpipes.
Yeah, so we just got to bolt the downpipes to the rest of the exhaust, and then reinstall the few things we took off, and that's it.
That's it. Here we got Camilo, just being Camilo. Is that comfortable, my friend?
It actually is with the mount.
I can lay out here all day.
Alright guys, so it hasn't even been an hour working on this one. We already got the top ready. Camilo is putting the steering rack back in place, tidying everything up. We're just missing that little plate right there, and we should be good to go. Oh, and of course, can't forget about that 1K tune right there. What time is it, Camilo?
Exactly 1 hour since we did the video.
Exactly 1 hour since we did that last video. Downpipes are on. Everything underneath the car is ready.
Completely new car. Oh my God.
In about an hour.
What's that?
In about an hour.
In an hour.
See, now nobody can yell, you're telling you it's a rental.
Oh my God. That's insane. So the same pitch, same everything in sport, or is it a little different?
It's gonna be a little different because of valves. But it's hard to tell, honestly, unless you pay attention. Yeah. Like, heavy pay attention.
Jesus Christ. Alan, not street legal.
But the best part is, like,
Go to Strata, yeah. It's just like a normal car.
now you're normal.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a little louder,
Yeah.
but you can be normal. And there's no pops. Strata.
Strata, no pops.
No pops. So when you want to be quiet, you're quiet.
Got it. That's crazy, bro. About this watch is it has this fume dial, which King James rocked, LeBron James, where it's like gray in the center and then disperses out the black. And it's ultra thin here.
That is really thin, holy shit.
Yeah, it's super comfortable on the wrist and drapes crazy. This is like one of our top sellers. When these things first came out, they were like 500 grand.
Holy shit.
Yeah, now around 150.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah. Well, look,
It's
we even have like a photo over here. We love this watch.
They were 500K?
Yeah, so name a car that was 500K that's now 150.
Yeah, none.
We also have like the DJ Khaled, so like the DJ Khaled watch we have as well. Have you seen that? It's like, it's this exact watch with an Arabic dial, which is like crazy rare, and it's full baguettes. Here, look. So this is platinum factory baguettes with an Arabic dial, which you can only get from like Rolex boutiques in the UAE, and they like make these, you know, these are very, very limited.
Holy shit.
Yeah, so this is the one that like Khaled wears all the time.
So how much does that one go for?
What's that? This is 175. At peak, it was like 320. But like, feel the weight on this guy. This is like.
What do you guys do now? That is heavy.
Yeah, it's
Dude,
full
that is
platinum.
heavy.
It's full platinum. Platinum is like double the weight of like gold or rose gold.
Yeah.
Like compare that to like a rose gold day-date.
Dude, the rose gold day-date is where it's at. Give me over here. Oh yeah, it's nothing.
Yeah, right. Is that insane?
Yeah.
But these are
rose gold day-date is what I want with the green face, the anniversary edition.
Oh yeah, the olive. Yeah.
That's the next watch I'm doing. Then the 5711.
Yeah.
So Garrett's been wearing this RM on his wrist, and you can't really tell, but this thing is so thin, it's ridiculous.
And lightweight. So this is made with NTPT. It's like Richard Mill's signature material. This watch only weighs 28 grams. It's what Nadal plays tennis with. It's so light and on the wrist. It's also like extremely, extremely durable. So you're dropping this thing it's like literally bomb proof. So like this watch is 3 years old, but looking at it, you know, you just clear off the dust on the side of the case here, and it's brand spanking new. I never would have guessed that would look brand new. Yeah, and that's like the best thing about NTPT is like the watch always looks brand new.
So this is an RM, what model?
This is a 6702 Ogier.
What do these go for now?
So this right now goes for like around 310,000. No, this is the Meteorite dial. So this is a Rolex Daytona with the Meteorite dial. They only made these for 1 year and then discontinued. The prices went through the roof. This was going for like around 120. Cool. Now around like 90 grand, but these dials, like you never get bored.
Yeah, Meteorite. Like this.
And every cut of Meteorite is different. It's like,
yeah, so they're all different. This grabs attention, and then this AP grabs attention.
Yeah, so this is a frosted AP. This is very unique and special. Yeah, factory. And basically what it is they have like a little needle that like they poke into the rose gold to kind of give it this frosted look. And actually you'll see, you guys are working with Andres on this 65 LT. He just bought one in white gold for himself. Okay. So you'll see it, dude. It's so sick. I'm pull it out on Sunday. Yeah. I'll show you pictures.
That's beautiful. That's wild. So Omar, you know this AP was going for 500K. Wait, what?
Yeah. And like, yeah, when it first came out, LeBron was wearing it, everyone wanted it, and it was super, super limited. And yeah, it was just rare. The market was at an all-time high. Yeah, it's 500K. Now, something like this is 150. The 5711 out of all the Pateks right now are like the best buy there is. Because you can get one around like 150-ish. Yeah, 150 pre-owned. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, real good deal.
Rose gold.
Real good deal. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. For sure.
And this one is that Meteorite as well?
So this is Mother of Pearl.
This
is super rare. They only made this in, it's called the Seiko. They only made it in 2019. And like Mark Wahlberg wore it, 21 Savage with the orange gem set. It's just like, yeah, crazy rare watch. This one's around 300 grand.
Because the thing is, a lot of these watches, like you can look at them and be like, okay, yeah, we know the RM's expensive. We know that one's expensive, but you would never guess that that AP is 150K, where the price of these two is that astonishing.
Yeah, true.
You know, it's like if you know, you know.
True.
Alright, damn. Oh man, getting the shot back in the day on the. That's cool. So what are we doing right now?
Filming this Urus right here, Camilo's work truck. Just got wrapped. He just did some filming, some rollers, did a little thing on the field. He's over there.
Non-media guy.
What happened to that right tail light?
I want to show you. So unlock it. So what had happened was, for some reason there was water in here, and then I got upset and I just started hitting it like this, and the iPhone won and actually cracked it. So now it's gonna stay like that. The work truck has a Know the Tech gloss sand wrap. We also wrapped every gloss black panel. We had to paint the rear diffuser and the front bumper because it's too crazy to wrap. We have the HRE R5H wheels, they're 23s. Lowering links, RYFT downpipes, our custom tune of course. And the best part about the car. That bad boy right here.